Hello and welcome back. Today is an absolutely beautiful day. It's sunny. I am so ready for summer. But today's job is very easy, very simple. We are going to replace the hood struts on a Ford Explorer. Honestly guys, all of these hood struts, trunk struts, they are like pretty much literally identical. The exception is maybe a few German cars, and if you have a power trunk, or yeah, I guess talking about trunk, but hood, like from Jaguar to Jeep to Ford to BMW, Mercedes, Chevy, they're literally pretty much all the same. So this should work, even if you don't have a Ford, this should work on the vehicle that you have. This is what the new hood struts look like, and basically in order to remove them, you just have to separate and pull this back. I guess it's almost like a hook. If you guys can see it in here, it slides up, releasing or opening this hole, and then you just slide it down to lock it in place. And what I usually do is use something like this so I could get in it. I've used a small knife before, I've used a flathead screwdriver, pretty much whatever you can use to get in here and separate it and kind of, you know, pull it upwards to get it released. It will get the job done. Here's the old one. What I'm going to do is just reach back here. All you gotta do is wiggle it off like so. So now that one is out, we're going to the top. Same thing. Get in there, kind of separate it, and there you go, it just comes off. So clearly I pulled this one off completely, which is no big deal. And in order to install the new one, you don't even have to separate anything, just clip it in. Here's the bottom, clip it in. And that's it. And look at that, one side done and it already holds. Now on this side, same thing. Pull this down, you could completely remove it and it comes off. Now the top. There we go. Super simple, super easy. And installing them is even easier, because all you do is literally clip it in. And I'm doing all of this with one hand, guys. So with two hands, it'll be a lot easier. There you go, job is done. If you guys have found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. I will see you guys in another video, and have a wonderful, blessed day.